In this video, I'm going to teach you how to fix the Forza Horizon 5 server is not available at this time error. So if you're having this kind of error on your Forza Horizon 5, what you can do is I can have right here this thread that should be able to help solve this particular problem. So as you can see, this user says that you can try restarting the game and look for the end identifier. You can deploy a server-side 6, which should improve the situation. So as you can see right here, they closed the game and restarted the console and it worked. You can do that on Sim as well, and it worked on libraries, but not for library search. You can try rebooting one more time and you can see the update. So you can try to restart as well, and the issue should be fixed, and they should be not able to have any instability on the server. So if the issue is still happening over a month later, you can try making a ticket about this on the support system. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video helped you out.